Okay, so we're off to Mark's place. We're going to organise where we're going in Tasmania. We haven't planned that yet, which is great. But hopefully now we have a bit more insight on where we're going.
Sodium.
I'm sorry?
No.
What are you doing?
Hey, you have your consent. Oh, is he filming? Is he filming?
He's already started.
It's just sodium. See?
Sodium?
So that's what you
Yeah,
know.
sodium. It's
Well,
sodium. It's a
probably
solid
got some
chunk of sodium.
in there.
You bought a solid chunk of sodium?
Yeah, sodium's green now with little chips on it.
Why?
You do realise that whoever sits in the front of his car during Tasmania is going to do a lot of filming.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. That's going to be the entire trip. It's just...
No, crack into it one arm.
It's like, oh, the GM's shown
Pumpkin
up.
slice.
We need to,
Pumpkin slice?
Yeah, you're gonna love it.
Oh yeah.
Brent, you look like you know those in those movies that really
I'll wait till after you finish
happy like person who always wants to film like in Cloverfield, the dude who films everything. Yeah.
The flavors.
I have to have a closer look at it. Bang.
Pretty good.
Person to die.
That's what I was thinking.
Yes, I have to tell you something. Okay, tell me. He's got a very small dick. Can we go back to planning Monday?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's do
As
that.
opposed to talking about my really small dim.
I thought you were doing about your penis.
What's happening on Wednesday?
I'm back home after a long day at Mark's place today. We didn't really decide on much apart from the day of our trip and when we're arriving at the Spirit of Tasmania. I'm going to be picking up Mark and Hayden at 5 o'clock at Mark's place. I'm going to be driving them both down to the pier. There wasn't a lot of details we actually worked on today. It was just pretty much that one day, and we were going to work out the rest as we went along. Hopefully it's a very exciting trip. I'm looking forward to it. It's a pretty nerve-wracking 5 days to go, but I'm sure it will have an amazing time. Today's the day. We're going off to Tasmania on the boat, Spirit of Tasmania. It's approximately 4:30 now, about to pick up Mark and Hayden. I have no idea how they're going to manage to fit all their stuff in the car. I have taken quite a bit of the space. Good luck to them. Truth.
Okay. Oh, very good. Let's hit your face.
That's easy.
Yeah, it's easy.
Well, I was wrong.
Good thing up.
Yeah.
I don't think there'll be any room like that.
That's just finished.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop this up.
Oh my god. Alright, I'll quickly go grab the fishing rod.
Yeah.
Oh, we've dropped something. We've dropped the sleeping bag.
Oh,
we have
dude.
dropped the sleeping bag.
Oh, we'll be alright. Alright.
We're all ready to go.
Are we?
I think so.
I hope so. We've probably forgotten everything.
We probably have, you know.
Yeah, I reckon we have.
I reckon we
We've
have.
forgotten our brains. That's what we've forgotten.
Yeah, that's one thing which is a bit important, but oh well.
We're screwed.
We'll be fine.
We're off on an adventure of a lifetime.
Heck yeah.
So we've been in here, this queue, for about probably an hour and a bit. About an hour. And we haven't moved very far. We've gone through a few security checks regarding firearms. Bazookas. Oh, we had this great tag. Had this list of, so much.
That was great. That was great.
Everything. Any weapon you could think of, they managed to describe it. It was amazing.
Yeah.
And we managed to catch Luke because he was in some massive queue, but we've actually, coincidentally, he's managed to get right behind us. That's Dylan. And there's Lucas, and I have no idea I'm recording. Oh, Mark's in the back. But yeah, we got quite a big queue. We've got a long way to go. Like going all the way up there, so we're gonna be a while.
What? Brett? Yeah. I know. Oh, right.
I spy by the light. Something starting with L.
I'm like.
Yes.
That was an easy one.
That was the point, to see how long it would take them to get an easy one, thinking that it wouldn't be an easy one.
Where? L.
Elephant. Land?
No. I shouldn't have said no, I should have said her. Never mind.
I'm sorry.
You said land, I said her.
Liberty.
We're in Australia, mate.
Liberty.
These are ligaments for
Yeah, you're right, Hayden.
I was going to say,
The
lifeboat?
Yeah. Plenty of time.
I spy
You
with
can transfer it
my
off as soon as we get back.
Something starting with the letter T.
Tower. Tasmania.
I can't do that just yet.
No, it's not like the English channel.
That's quite a few hours away.
This is over tree.
Brett.
No.
I'm pretty sure I start with B.
Papa.
It's a trap.
Dig on the papa.
If you had to give us the first letter.
It's a trailer.
Oh, a trailer.
What did I tell you guys?
It's a truck. I mean, it's close.
Okay.
They're moving.
Just watching this in the mirror is fucking weird. It is. Smack.
What's that?
The filming.
Okay,
I
so
don't think they actually did. They've actually sectioned all that
I'm
off.
currently in the toilet and the guys are talking about hijacking a car. Well, not hijacking, just taking their own car. Look at Hayden. I mean, he is just loving life and himself.
And you're sitting on the toilet.
I'm sitting on the toilet. Okay, I'm going to the toilet. Hello, big brother? Oh, and you have to be big brother now.
Hello.
Hi, big brother.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing alright. Lucas has been wanting to play hide and seek and has been very annoying.
Has he?
Yeah, what should I do, big brother?
You should play hide and seek with him, but secretly. hide his things.
Is this a secret mission for me, big brother?
It is a secret mission. You have to hide all his belongings.
Secret mission to uncharted space.
Exactly. And if you have the desire to chuck one item of clothes overboard.
Oh, will I gain immunity or something?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, big brother.
And so, the 5 bumbling friends set off on their journey to the land that's down under, the land down under. Sailing through stormy seas on one of the roughest waters in the world, the guys battle against sleep deprivation and their queasy stomachs in the effort to reach Tasmania unscathed and... Oh hey! Welcome to my documentary on my schoolies trip to Tasmania. Sadly, we didn't have the budget to hire someone like Morgan Freeman or Benedict Cumberbatch, or even Drew Barrymore. I mean, what has she been in recently? So I guess you are stuck with me until I become a billionaire or something. So yeah, welcome to our little posse. I hope you enjoy the documentary. Keep your arms and legs in at all times, and I hope you enjoy the ride. I think I've found the most beautiful part in Tasmania so far.